So back on the XJS today, what I've managed to do is remove the relays and the blower motor which live under here, just so I can get some access in here. This area was sort of worn and rusted and perforated, so I managed to cut that out. A little piece here. Here along here, all clean back up. I've taken off the lip of that panel and cut away some of this. That did appear to be half decent on the outside, which required only maybe some welding at the top, but as here and there, it's just going. So I'll cut that out. This bit here, that's quite nice, quite solid, can weld onto that. Cut quite a large area out of this, but that'll aid the repair. These panels, again, having a look at them, I will need to do a little bit of work. Got to get the screen lip on there, and I will have to make some repairs here. One thing I have noticed is the repair panels don't come with this area, so I've managed to keep this section on this panel, but on the other side it was completely gone, and I will lose. There's a tiny little lip on the older panel which I don't have on the replacement, but that's always available, so again I'll just make that work.